everyone, hope you're all well in this lovely heat we're having. Today is a special day for me and my family because we're having a gender reveal party in the garden. So I put on a little buffet, but I could not find any vol au vent cases. I usually have them from Morrison's, but I couldn't get them. So today now I'm going to show you how I've done my cases. Quick and easy, bit more prep than if you bought them already done, but I couldn't get any, so let's crack on and I'll show you how I do it. Right, so this is what I decided to do now to make these vol au vents. I just bought from Lidl's, I think it was £1.10. So ready rolled puff pastry, nice and quick. There we go. And then we're going to roll it out like that. There we are. Give a little roll to flatten it. Get all the little creases out of it. There we go. Nice and easy this one is. And I've got these cutters. That one there. And I've got that one there. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to cut like so. All the way along. Like that. And what I'm aiming for now, I've got these. So as you can see, this here then, and I'm going to use this one to put like a little circle in there. So just like that. Not in them all, because these are going to be like the top of the cases. I do love vol au vents in a party. This is why I've gone and done this. I used to get them from Morrison's, but I couldn't get any, so I thought make my own, and this is what I am doing. And there. Right, so we're coming to the end of this now. Put some more in there. Can I fit one in there? Yep, there we are. So this is just one sheet. I have bought a few, so what will happen then, these will go to one side. And we'll have this. I will show you now when I'm doing it. We got that then. We will stick. Let me show you. We will have a fork here. And what we do then, we'll just put little holes in there like that. We'll baste that then, and then this little piece then will go on top, line it up, and baste the top of that, and then it will be ready then to go. I have tried this once, so it wasn't too bad. But yeah, these then you can either cook them up as well for little extras, or you can just dough it back up and do more. So let's carry on here. So I want in the centre as much as possible, like that. And then we've got them, and then we'll do these ones. So I know then I'm even Stevens in it. Yeah, so there we go. Just like that. In the centre. Don't have to be spot on. What I'm going to do, I'm going to fill them then. I like the tuna mayonnaise with cucumber, and I do like egg mayonnaise as well in them. I think they're good for a little party. Fills the plates. So there we go. We need that one. So I'll show you in a bit. Right, so they're all in there now, and like I said, I'm just going to put little holes in the bottom of every one. Just not to have a high rise in the middle, because you want to put the middle of it as you stuff in. Because of time wise, this is why I haven't done my own pastry, because I couldn't get the cases, and this was the best next thing. There we are. So I'll just carry on with this now, and I'll get back to you when it's finished. Right, so I'm basting them now with egg, just like that. And then you've got your little rings that you cut out as well. Place them on top. Like that. They don't have to be perfect, because vol au vents aren't perfect. They come out all shapes. Just get it as spot on as you can. So I'll finish these off now, and I'll get back to you. Right, so now I've basted them all. They've got the little rings on, as you can see, and they're going to go in the oven. Here we go. I've got the oven on 170. It's been preheated. And away we go. And they're in. So leave that in there now until they have risen. I should have cut that a bit shorter, I should have. And they're nice and goldy looking and puffed up. So get back to you at the finish of them. Right, so they are cooked. And what I've started doing is, you get your little vol au vent there, and just take the middle out like that with a little knife. I use a steak knife because it's better to cut around. And then just pull it out, and there's your vol au vent done then, ready for the filling. There we are, just pull it out. And again, easy enough to do. I think it took about 25 minutes. Like I said, they're not perfect shape, but they do the job. And they look a lovely colour, don't they? What do you think? I love them. Love them. There we are. So you can see the idea, just take the middles out. Ready to fill. I will show you now when they full. So I'm going to do egg mayonnaise, like I said, and I'm going to do tuna and sweet corn with mayonnaise. So that's that, folks. There we are. That's the finishing touch. That one's egg mayonnaise and tuna and sweet corn with mayonnaise. So they'll go down well today now. Yum yum. So I hope you found that video helpful. As I say, it was quick and easy. We're going to enjoy the vol au vents today now, and we're going to have a good old day celebrating if I got a new granddaughter or if I got a grandson. We shall see. So if you liked what you see, like, subscribe, leave a comment if you like, hit the notification bell so that you can know when I put future content up. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you soon.